Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get better iPhone battery health. So let's get started. In order to see your iPhone battery health, first go to settings and then scroll down to battery. Go to battery and then click on battery health and charging. So on the top we have maximum capacity, which is 86%, and sometimes this capacity is not shown properly. When the capacity is not shown properly, what you'll have to do is go to Apple support. So let's go to home page and then we have support. So from Apple support, we are going to select our device. After selecting device, go to more and then go to battery life. Then you're gonna have to click on check now. So now our battery health is being checked by Apple support. And then we have the maximum capacity. So as you can see, this is our maximum battery capacity. So if you are unable to see your battery percentage inside settings, then you can go to Apple support and see your battery health from this option. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.